Hey folks, John Peterson here, and today I want to talk to you about a new product that I just received yesterday. Now, I don't do a lot of gear reviews. I leave that to some people who do them a little bit better, but what I do like to do is when I find something neat or something of great value, I like to pass that along to my viewers. And recently I just got back from Monument Valley in Canyon de Chelly, where I was leading a workshop down there. And partway through the workshop, my Gitzo tripod that I've had for 12, 13, 14 years finally malfunctioned to the point where I couldn't use it anymore. Thankfully, my partner had a backup tripod in his truck that I borrowed for the rest of the trip. But when I got home, my Gitzo had to go in for repair. I still haven't gotten the verdict on whether it's repairable or not, but in the meantime, I still needed a heavy-duty tripod because I'm taking off this week for the Eastern Sierras to do a fall color workshop up in the hills. So I started looking around for a quote-unquote backup tripod that didn't cost me a lot of money and provided the support and stability and ease of use that I needed for my photography. One of the people on the workshop had a tripod from a company called Robur, I believe it is, Robur, which was intriguing to me. And another person had a tripod from a company called Leofoto. And you may have not heard of this company yet. I hope you have. But when I saw the quality of workmanship on the tripod, I was actually quite impressed. And when I got home, I started looking up Leofoto and looked at comparable tripods to what I had. And I decided to give it a try. I ordered one up that was very, very similar to the Gitzo that I have in for repair that may or may not come back. So when I bought this, I wanted to make sure that it would do all the things that I needed to do. So I wanted a higher height. I needed a bowl so I could put my self-leveling base in, that kind of stuff. So I looked around and I picked up, let me get this for you here. I picked up a Leofoto Summit tripod, and I'll put the specs down in the description below. But I wanted to show you my initial reactions as I'm unboxing this tripod and see if it's of value to you. So let's take a look at this tripod. Let's get it out of the box, all right? All right, let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what we see. The beautiful thing, it came in a great outer carton, and then it's packed in this box, which is the retail marketing box. So when I open this up, this particular model came with a storage bag. And the storage bag, just my initial impression, it's really well made. Of course it has their logos on it, but it has a handle, has a shoulder strap. It's made out of a Cordura nylon, so it seems pretty durable. Velcro handle. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what we see. So this is how the tripod is packed. And of course, in the requisite plastic bag to keep it safe. And this is what we have. The Leofoto LM 32-4-324CL, and so that's longer. Now so this is carbon fiber, and the thing that I really like about in the tripods that I pick, I love the twist locks. So instantly, I can feel that the action on all these twist locks is secure, so they're not going to creep on me. Flip locks, if you've ever used flip locks for a long period of time, your hand tends to get tired when you're doing this day in and day out. So twist locks are far more easy to use than flip locks, in my opinion. So this is a three section tripod. It'll go up to about 78 to 80 inches. And here's the head of the tripod that you can see. So I just have a flat base, and I can take this base out if I want. Each leg, you have these little things that pull out. These are spring loaded. So I can then extend the legs out further if I want. But easy, quick action on these. There's a small little hook underneath if I wanted to hang a bag or another weight to give some more stability to this tripod. But overall, my initial impressions are just fantastic for this. Extremely great build quality. Relatively lightweight. I'll put the specs in the video, but I think it's just shy of 4 pounds. The feet, of course, on the tripod, you can see I'm unscrewing the rubber feet. And I bought a set of Leofoto spikes to go into the bottom of my tripods, whether it's my Gitzo or now this tripod. It's a 3/8 inch spike. You can see the video up above there. I'll post a link to the video that I'm shooting for that. But, you know, really nice wide rubber feet, which I love. Gives me lots of great stability no matter where or how I position this. The thing I like about a little bit wider rubber feet is that at different angles, you know, I'm gonna still get some traction from this rubber depending on where my tripod is located, because I do a lot of I do a lot of landscape and nature photography. I'm not often on level surfaces. So there you go. There's a quick introduction to this tripod. I'm absolutely stoked to have this, and I can't wait to use it out in the field here in the next week. Everything I see, you know, there's not a lot to talk about with tripods, but it's, you know, fantastic carbon fiber, machined aluminum. It should withstand the rigors of the salt of the sea, the sand in the desert that I'm at, and just the rugged nature of the landscape photography stuff that I do. So initially I did not order this tripod with a Leofoto ball head. I already have a Really Right Stuff BH55 ball head that will just screw right onto the top of this tripod. And for right now, I did not see the need to buy another tripod head because this one still works great. You can see here it fits, proportionally sized extremely well. I may explore some of the Leofoto ball heads just to see what they're like from a value and usability perspective. But so far, this looks to be an incredible winning combination. So I'm really super happy about this one. You know, my Gitzo tripod, if I was to buy a new one today, it's about $1,200 to $1,400 depending on where I go. This Leofoto tripod that looks like it will be a direct replacement for what I have cost me just a little bit over $500. So there's $700 in savings that I got by going with this tripod. And I think that the value is there. This is a long-term investment. Because even if my Gitzo does come back, I'm gonna still keep this and use it as a backup or maybe even a primary tripod. Let's see how the next week goes using this out in the field. So there you go, the Leofoto Summit tripod. So far, 2 thumbs up for this, and I'll update my channel with any other reactions I have to this tripod, but right now this seems like a really fantastic piece of kit. So thanks for watching, subscribe if you like it, and stay tuned for more great videos. All right, folks, have a great day.